Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be looking at a remote programming procedure for GM trucks and SUVs, late 90s through about the mid 2000s. A complete list of vehicles this procedure works on is in the description box below. You'll also find the step-by-step instructions we're about to go over, as well as a link to our website, programyourremote.com. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is put the key in the ignition. Now we're going to press and hold down the unlock button on the driver's door. Now, using a fast pace, we're going to turn the ignition from on to off 2 times. 1, 2. Release the unlock button. The door lock cycled, indicating the vehicle's now in programming mode. So we'll grab our remote. We're going to hold down the lock and unlock button at the same time and continue to hold them down. We're going to hold them down until the door lock cycle again. This generally takes about 10 to 20 seconds. The door lock cycled, indicating this remote has now been programmed. At this point, if you have any additional remotes, including any remotes you've previously had for the vehicle, you'll repeat the previous step for each remote, holding down the lock and unlock button until the door lock cycle. When you're done adding remotes, you can turn the ignition to on to exit program mode. Now we'll turn it off, remove the key, and test the remote. That's a working remote. Thanks for watching, everyone.